Hello guys, so now I want to do market report. Let me even check this thing. Let me check the one there. Okay, market report. This is a weekly market report for the week ended. This is 13th June 2025. 13 June 2025, NGX, that's Nigeria Stock Exchange market report. Then product, we have equity. The market opened for the 3 trading days this week as the federal government declared Monday June 9th and Thursday June 12th 2025 as public holidays to commemorate 2025 Eid al-Kabir and the Democracy Day celebration. So the market opened only 3 days, but meanwhile, a total turnover of 2.057 billion shares worth of 51.15 billion in 65,016 deals was traded this week. Then the investors on the floor of the exchange, in contrast to a total of 3 billion shares valued at 76.348 billion naira that exchange hands last week. Alright, so the financial services industry measured by volume led the activities chart with 1.060. So the financial market led the activities of the week's trading, that is last week trading, ended on Friday, which is 13th of June. Financial services led the trading, then thus contributing 51.55% and 51.69 to the total equity turnover volume and value respectively. Then the services industry followed. So after the financial sector led the tradings of the market for the week, then the services industry followed as well. Services industry followed with 490.276 million shares worth 1.586 billion naira in 3,865 deals. Then the third is we have consumer goods industry. They have turnover of 122.795 million, share worth of 5 billion, and the deal over 7,000 deals. Alright, so you look at the trading in the top 3 equities, namely trading in the top 3 equities, namely you have Tantalizer PLC, you have Access Holding, we have Zenith Bank. These are the 3 most traded company for the week. 3 most traded company for the week. Measured by volume, account for 693.553 million shares worth 9.957 billion. So as I'm telling you that this market, this capital market, that is stock market, is like every other market. See how the breakdown was given. Now it's a equity turnover last 3 days. That is, the market opened for 3 days only for the week, because Monday was Eid al-Kabir. Then they celebrated this thing. They celebrated the Democracy Day as well on 12th. Then we have equity turnover last 3 days. We have 10th of June 2025 deal that's over 3,000, turnover over 652 million, and turnover. These are the dealings. Alright, then here distribution of the distribution of quantity traded. You have financial sector, you have service sector, you have consumer sector, and others. So you can see it. The financial sector is the highest. Then service is the second to the highest. That is the service. Then consumer and the other ones here. All right. Now look at the weekly report of ETP. ETP, a total of 24,000, over 24,000 units valued at 8 million naira we are traded this week. Okay, with a total of over 46,000 units valued for 8 million naira transacted last week on 89 deal under ETP. Under ETP. All right, so we have 15 depth. Okay, Stanbic 30, all of them, you can see them there. Then under bond, FGM bond and other kinds of bond. So we have a total of over 38,000 units valued at 37 million naira we are traded this week. Then 20 deals compared with a total of 17,000 units valued at 12 million transacted the last week on 27 deals. So look at the bonds. So if you invest in this bond, there is a way you arrange your bond. There's a way you arrange your bond. In fact, at a point federal government will be giving you salary for life. Use it to settle yourself. So see FGN Sukuk, this Sukuk. See FGN this FGN deals. How many trade that went on? FGN, so many. That is under bond. Then look at index movement. The NGX all share index and market capitalization appreciated. That's just 3 days they traded. Appreciated by 0.71% and closed the week at 115,429.54. Then how many which came out to be 72 trillion, over 72 trillion. Then similarly, all other indices finished higher with the exception of the NGX insurance. So other indices moved higher, exception of insurance. Then have weekly report. NGX all share index, week close, look at it, 114,000. week close. Okay, week by week, this is 65. Okay, is this week, the week that just ended. There is weekly changes here. All right, we'll not go deep into that one. So you now see summary of price changes here. The way I want to look at is the weekly report of top 10 price gainers, top 10 company price gainers. You can see for the 3 days that market opened for the week. Legend Internet PLC. This Legend Internet PLC, this is Legend was just listed. Was it last month or so? So again, open 5. Okay, is it this one? I don't think. Okay, I don't think it is this one. Then close 7. Again 1.75 naira. 1.75 naira. Then changes in percentage 32%. We have Beggar Paint. Again the 6 naira. Again 6 naira. Then Oando PLC. Again the 12 naira. Wow, 12 naira, which is under 27%. Fixing Healthcare. Again the 6.6 naira. You look at their prices as well. Look at the FTN Cocoa. Yes, I'm holding this FTN Cocoa. I love this FTN Cocoa. I love this. I'm holding it. That was when I bought it. At the point, I have 19,000 units. At the point, it went down because me, I love penny stock. I love to buy penny stock. It went down very well, but I just left it there. I was exercising patience, but now is up. If I check my portfolio now on this, is 33% now, but my technical analysis is telling me that it will still go up. That is why I have not sold it. Look at it, it's still under penny stock. 2.40. It opened by 2.1 and closed, oh boy, like 40 extra. Okay, closed by, open 2.40 and closed 2.80. Look at now, even if you calculate just this week, it gained 40 kobo. You multiply 40 kobo by 19,000 units I have, you know what it is just for this week. Look at the percentage, 16%. 16%. Why my this year has already got into 33%. Okay, you have Avatar offshore. Okay, 63 kobo gained in profit. Custodian investment PAC 2 naira. Wow, these people tried for this week alone. For this week alone, May and Baker gained 1.60. Cadbury Nigeria gained 4 naira. Wow, which is 10%. That's why I'm telling people, if I have 500,000 naira as capital and I put it in this stock exchange, every week I must be coming out with 50,000 naira profit every week. Now just look at this, thing. Look at the percentage. If you calculate 500,000 naira, now this Cadbury Nigeria PLC has given you like 10.81% alone. If you multiply how many you will buy, okay, this one is on there. Okay, what if I buy only this FTN Cocoa, which is under penny stock? I'll still come out with my targeted profit, which is 50,000 in a week, with 500,000 profit. Now look at the top 10 price decliners for the week. All these companies you see, John Hot PLC, he lost 1.40 naira, and in percentage 18%. Just forget about all these losses. The company that lose this week, next week might go up. That is why technical analysis is very, very important in analyzing stock. And remember, if you want to learn how to trade in the financial market or invest in the financial market, go to the description of this video. You see details for my one-on-one class, one-on-one training. And they do well to subscribe to this channel. Like the video for more updates, because we have a lot to achieve this week. Now look at price adjustment. Then okay. Look at suspension. Nocho Chemical Industry PLC suspension in trading of the shares of Nocho Chemical Industry. Trading license holders and the investing public are hereby notified that trading in the shares of Nocho was suspended on Wednesday 11 June 2025. Look at information. So you don't buy this company. They're just saying us that we should not buy this company shares anymore, because they were suspended. I don't know why they were suspended, but the suspension is necessary to prevent trading in the shares of the company in preparation for the listing of the security of they are delisting the company in line with the approval obtained from the Nigeria Exchange Limited, NGX. Okay, they are delisting the company. So these are where you get information on a weekly basis on what is happening in the Nigeria Stock Exchange. So if you want to be getting this kind of information, do well to subscribe to this YouTube channel. We have a lot. We'll be doing financial, we'll be doing forex market, crypto market, and other things that we do as online business that we are. So this is Coach Uzie FMT, that financial market trader. So thank you very much. I do appreciate your time. Thank you so much for being part of us. Thank you. Go to the description of this video. You see a lot more information in case you want to reach out to me. Thank you very much.